Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn about charts in Excel. And what is a chart? Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. If you want to display your data in a pictorial form, we use charts. And what are the different types of charts in Excel? So to see the types of charts in insert tab, if you'll click on insert tab, in charts group you have different types of charts here. In charts group you will find different types of chart, but the commonly used charts are the column chart, line chart, and pie or donut chart. So these are the commonly used charts in Excel. Now here I have some data with me of the students' marks. So by using the students' marks, I'm going to insert a column chart here. So how to work with the column chart? So before going to insert the chart, first you need to select the data. Without selecting data, if you click on this column chart, it will not be inserted. So first you need to select the data, and here data I'm selecting from name. Here I'm selecting from name to this marks. Okay, so I have selected this area of this names and marks, and then after selecting this area, I'm going to click on column chart. In this column chart, you have two different types, 2D and 3D, but here I'm going to use 2D. And the first one, this is called clustered column. So I'm selecting the first one, clustered column chart. And as soon as you click on it, you can see here the chart, the column chart is inserted here in this worksheet. Now you can move it, just you need to click and move it wherever you want to insert this chart. Now if you'll observe here there are different components of this chart. So this is your column chart of all the students we have inserted for all the students at a time. So if you can see, we have 9 students, all the 9 students, the marks chart is displayed here. So if you want, now what are the different components of this chart? So here if you see here, this is called chart area. This is called chart area. The chart area includes all the objects and elements in a chart. So this is your chart area. Now if you see here, this is called plot area. If you see here, this is called plot area. The plot area is a window within the chart area, and it contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data. So here you can see here, this is the plot area and this is the chart area. This complete area is called chart area, and inside the chart area only you have the plot area. So this is about chart area and plot area. Now if you see here, the horizontal one, this is called x-axis. The horizontal, this is called x-axis, and x-axis is the horizontal axis of a chart. So this is x-axis, and this is called y-axis, and y-axis is the vertical axis used to plot the values. So here this is your y-axis, and this is your y-axis where you can see the values, and this is called x-axis where you can see the names and subjects. So this is about the components of chart, and this is this one where you can see the subjects with the different colors. So this is called legend. This is called legend, and here you can see it is showing maths is in blue color of this. See the marks of each student. You can, if you want to read the marks of each student, you have to check with the like colors. So maths marks is showing here, then science, then social. So by seeing the colors, you can check your marks in this graph. Now, if you want to insert the chart for individual students. So here if you want to insert the chart for individual students, you have to, let me show you how to insert the chart for the individual students. So here I will take out this chart, I will delete this chart, and now to insert the chart for individual student, you need to select the only one student. You have to select only one student. So here I have selected name, subjects, and only one student. Now here in insert tab, I will click on column and I will select the column chart here. Now if you can see here, the only one student, that is Shri's marks chart is inserted here. Now here if you want to do some changes, for example if you want to change the chart area background, so to to change the chart area background, you need to right click and say format chart area. So in format chart area you have the fill option, so just say solid fill, and solid fill, and from colors you can insert the, you can change the color. Just close it. So this is the way you can apply the background color for this chart area. Now same way, if you want to change the plot area color, background color of this plot area. So just you need to right click on this plot area and say format plot area and select the solid fill and choose any color of your choice to insert the plot area color. So here you can take some other color if you want. Here. So just like this, you can change the colors for this plot area and the chart area. Now here I want to even change the color for this all these marks. All these marks, now it is showing the same color for all these subjects, right? So here I want to apply the different colors for each subject. So for first let us take for with the maths. So just right click on this maths and say format, and then here color, select the color, say solid fill and change the color for this. So like this. Now same way science. So just right click on the science and say same and say solid fill, and here you can change the color for this as yellow if you want. Then same way for this also, select it, say solid fill and change the color for this. So like this you can apply the different colors for this each subject. So here I am selecting this, and then I will say again solid fill, and then I'm taking say for example green. So like this you can apply the same. This is same color, so I want to change this also. So here you can just, I want red, here no red. So like this you can apply the colors for this subjects. So hope it's clear. Now, if you can see here, we want some, like I want to apply some elements for this chart. I want to apply some elements like in x-axis, y-axis, and in chart title as I want to apply something. So here, and even the legend is missing here. If you can see here, legend is also missing. So how will you insert all this? So to insert all this here, if you can see here, chart tools tab is there, chart tools tab is there. In this you have design tab. In design tab, if you can see add chart element, click on this add chart element, and here you have the axis title. So here you can select primary horizontal. So if you want for horizontal, you can select say horizontal, and here I want to type, say suppose this is showing the subjects, so I will say subjects. Okay, so here I set subjects. Now if you want to increase the size here, as soon as you select the text, you can see here the size of this text you can increase. So here I am taking 16. Even color also, you can apply the color for this. So you can apply any color of your choice. So this is subjects. Now same way I want to insert for y-axis also. So same way you have to go to add chart element and say axis titles and say this time primary vertical. So here you can say primary vertical, and as soon as you say primary vertical, here it will show you the text box. So now here I want to change the name for this text box. So here I will say marks. You can see marks, and for this also I want to uh, change the size. So select it and you can change the size of this, and here for this also I want to give red color. If you want to give some other color, you have to select it and say marks. So like this you can apply x-axis, y-axis titles. Now same way, if you want to do some more, just you need to click on this chart area and design, say add chart elements. Now here data labels. Now data labels means if you want to display the marks, by seeing this you can't say the student, say suppose maths, what is his maths marks. So if you want to display the marks on the like on the graph, you have to select the data labels, and here center if you want, you can see here it is showing in center. If you want inside end, if you are inside base or outside end, so you can see here outside end if you want to, and if you want data callouts, it will show you along with the subjects. So if you don't want this data call out, just you say outside end. So when you say outside end, here you can see here it is showing the marks of each subject here. So like this you can apply the different colors for this chart, and then for each subject different colors, and then even the marks you can display. And here you can see here marks. If you want the marks, maximum marks, if you want you don't want this, you want to change this, so just right click and say format axis. So as soon as you say format axis, you can see here minimum is 0 0. So you don't want from 0 0, if you want to start from 10, so you can just type here 10. Minimum I want 10 marks, and maximum, say suppose you want 100 or 120 you want, so you can say 120. And the difference between the marks is 10 here. Now if you want 20, even you can give 20 here, and say just you have to close it. So what will happen, it will apply automatically. You can see here it is applied automatically. So if you want to do again same changes, if you want to keep it like same, so you can say here format axis. Here you can say, sorry, I have not selected this. So just you need to right click on it, say format axis, and here you can make it, select it, and then change it. So how it was before, 20. So make it 20 only, and then minimum is minimum is 0. So make it minimum is 0, and then maximum is 100. So make it 100, and the difference is 10 only. So here I will say measure is 10. So keep it like this and close it. So like this you can change the y-axis also. So and legend. Now here I want to insert the legend. Now here legend is not displayed. So same way, click on this chart area and then click on add chart elements, and here you have the option called legend. Now here legend, if you want to insert in which direction you want, in right or top or left or bottom, you can insert in any direction. So here I want it in right. So just click on right. So like this you can insert the legend. So I hope friends it's clear how to insert the column chart. Thank you for watching my video.